All right, so we're gonna start by opening up Photoshop. We're gonna go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. We're gonna browse. We're gonna go get the GIF that we wanna make. And click OK. We're gonna click on attempt to automatically align source images. Okay. So when I export my photos, I export them in high resolution. So we're gonna go and make these images a bit smaller. That way it's not as heavy. And we're gonna wait for this to load first. They're aligning the layers, making sure everything's steady. So instead of having a shaky GIF, we're gonna have a nice and steady GIF. Okay, so also we're gonna make sure that these are in order, because sometimes they're not. Right now they seem to be in order, but if they weren't, you could just change the order this way. So we're gonna select them all. We're gonna go to image size. I'm making a GIF for an Instagram story. So the height is 1920, and it's gonna adjust the width automatically. All right, so as you can see, the image has been transformed into a smaller image. We're gonna go to Windows, Timeline, Create Frame Animation. We're gonna go to Make Frames from Layers. So we're gonna put them all at 0.2 seconds, depending on how fast you want it to go or how slow. You can just switch up the times here. Every time I do this, the files are reversed. So I'm gonna reverse the frames to make it go the right way. We're gonna test it out. Okay, it looks good. So as you can see, there's a space around the frame, which is Photoshop aligning the images. So we're gonna select them all. We're gonna go Control P to transform the image, and we're gonna just crop in parts that are sticking out. Okay, that should be good. We're gonna go enter. We're gonna check it out, make sure everything's good. Oh, it's not good. We're gonna crop it one more time. Control P, stretch it out. Enter. I'm gonna play it again. That's perfect. Okay, now as you can see, it's playing in a loop only once. We want the GIF to last a long time, so we're gonna select them all. We're gonna go here. Copy frames, paste frames. We're gonna paste them after the selection. Okay. I do them like a couple times. I do that a couple times because we want the GIF to be a little bit longer. So now we can see it plays for quite a while. Okay, so we're gonna go File, Export, Render Video. We're gonna name it Sit by the Pool. I know where I want to save it, but you can select the folder and decide where you want to save it. It's important that the format is MP4 because if not, it won't play. So format H.264. You guys can check out my settings here, make sure they're the same. We're gonna go render. So now it's exporting. Okay, we're gonna go find it. pool. There we go, guys. As simple as that. So as you can see, the GIF is about 7 seconds. You want them to be at least 7 to 10 seconds if you want it to last a little bit longer. So that is all. Thanks for watching.